Hello Class Lab team, as one of the fastest growing B2B curriculum companies, is we wanted to make sure that we deliver tremendous value to our customers. And for us, we focused on having service excellence, and that meant three things that we need to make sure that we get right. Of course, we need to get the product impact right because we are an education company. But also we wanted to make sure that we get the product delivery right because that's important for us to get the retention part. And then also we need to make sure that the commercial relationships are in place because that lead to our financial realization. But it's very difficult to get all three of them together right. You need a high quality integrated fulfillment system to be able to make all of these happen.
So in B2B services, reliability of services and visibility of deliverables is very important. And our kind of businesses, which is even more complex because of so many touch points and so many time-bound deliverables that we have with schools, it's very critical that we get this part right. It's very complex, it's very hard.
As an organization, when we looked at service excellence, we understood there are various elements that need to go to the customers at different points of time. And when we looked at internally, how does this work, there were functions which were delivering different aspects of the offerings that go to the customer. The good thing about Visor is that it is a standalone solution, but at the same time, it seamlessly integrates a lot of other tools and processes that the teams normally use. So we have ops using something called Odoo. We have the PSM team using the Jot forms.
So Visor basically helped us in making three big components out of it. One is the commercial dashboard. Commercial dashboard gives finance team a single view of commercial insights to an account. So basically it integrates the entire end-to-end process from your delivery, returns to ledgers and your sales discounts and everything. Delivery dashboard helps us success and excellence team to basically make sure that deliveries are done right. And School app is the final product or the output of all the integration that we have done so far, which would help us school or the account to get a 360-degree view of their deliverables and whatever we have achieved so far.
It is a very flexible solution to handle ground level operations and finance work of the company, and it is highly configurable based on all scenarios happening at the ground levels. For example, if ratio is 30, then only one sales product should be assigned to a group of 30 students. For example, in digital content sales products, we give only one digital content per 30 students.
In the overall rollout process is that first we always deliver it to the team which are implementing the internal delivery teams. This again ensure that there's early feedback capture of things that are working well and things that are not working well. Then we release it to all the internal customer facing teams so that they have enough visibility to be able to respond to the customers with whatever data the customer needs. And in the third step, at this point of time, we are rolling out to the end customer itself. So school will be in a place where they will have full visibility of what is getting delivered to them, what has already got delivered to them, and what is upcoming. So there's been a huge contribution of the tech team, just the way they have built the entire domain model to ensure that it represents what is actually happening on the ground, and we build a system which is much more scalable. So all function leaders took out active time to ensure that they participate in the requirement building, in actively testing, and ensuring that 100% implementation happens on the field.
I think last 1 year, what we have tried to put together sets us apart with respect to the industry in terms of the fulfillment and the visibility of fulfillment that we will be able to give now.
The biggest plus point that we see with Visor is that it is not limiting the scope of the individual teams to work on sharpening their process, sharpening the systems that they have put in place. It gives freedom for them to innovate.
So tech got involved, product team got involved, finance got involved, and then we came up with this solution. And I'm sure that the partners are understanding this. We have come up with a new framework which will be very easy to consume.
The biggest advantage of this system is that we can merge this system along with all the other functions of the company, which gives us a holistic picture of the company in one place altogether.
We have done close to 13,000 deliveries with 100% tracking, and we are having more than 98% proof of deliveries, and system is in much better situation than last year.
Since FCMs can generate and email the question paper at their convenience, so the turnaround time of sharing the question paper with school has also reduced.
The tech team has given a lot of contribution towards it, and tech team is really amazing towards it.
With this system in place, this becomes like a foundation to be able to solve for more users and more partners.
I am very confident after seeing the Class Lab School app that the way it has come out, very soon we will be able to launch a partner portal which can help us absorb all the complexities of cash discount, TOTs, and the partners can use a very simple output.
So with the school app being launched, we are now able to innovate more on the ClassClap teacher front. So by making the onboarding more seamless, and also we are trying to introduce a device called PyClap, which is being piloted in a couple of schools, which is going to kind of help the tablet initialization much faster.
The other new feature what we are building in the system is about the cash. So here what will happen is that all the cash what we are collecting will come through this one system, and the business transactions will flow through this one system itself.
We believe that integrated system is the kind of the next age of schools and how they can fundamentally improve the education in our country. So we're really excited about that. Once again, congratulations to all our team to put this effort to launch this, and the 1.0 is out, and I'm really excited what type of things we can build on top of it. Thank you everyone.